How to compare iPhone and Samsung sales across major global markets in 2024 using Sankey Diagram in Microsoft Power BI. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals. Search for Sankey Diagram by VisioChart. Click on Sankey Diagram by VisioChart. Click Add button to add Sankey Diagram visual. Click on Sankey Diagram icon. Click on the sample data. Select Measure and Dimension columns. Click on Format Visual. Open Node Labels Property section. Set Number for Matter to Accuracy. Open Node Property section. Change node width. Open Level Labels Property section. Change level labels position top to bottom. Under Format Visual, go to General and expand Title setting. Change chart title and set heading properties according to your need.